Hi, we are doing logarithm. If log 8 is 0.90, find the value of log 4, log root 32 and log 0.125. Right? So now what is given to us? Log 8 to the base 10 is 0.90. Now 8 can be written as 2 raised to the power 3, and we know the law of log, which states that log of any number raised to the power n is n log a. So this can be written as 3 log 2 to the base 10, that is 0.90. So log 2 to the base 10, 3 is multiplied, comes here and it becomes divide. Right? So what is log 2? Log 2 is 0.30. If we are not writing the base, it is understood that it is 10. So now we have to find log 4 to the base 10. Now 4 can be written as 2 square. Again, using the law of the log, this power will come in front of log. This will become 2 log 2 to the base 10. Log 2 we found as 0.30. So this will be 2 into 0.30, that is 0.60. So log 4 is 0.60. Next we had to find log root 32. Log root 32. Root, any number having a root means the power is half. So this is log 32 raised to the power half. Fine. Now 32, when you factorize, what you get, I'm factorizing here, 2 raised to the power 5. So 32 can be written 2 raised to the power 5 into half. We know in exponents, the law of indices, the powers are multiplied. So this will become log 2 raised to the power 5 by 2. Right? Again, we will follow the law of the log using log a raised to the power n is n log a. So this will become 5 by 2 log 2, right? And log 2 is 0.30, which we found out. So 0.30. So 5 into 0.30 is, now you will do the calculation and what you will get is 0.75. Fine. Same way we will do the third one, that is log 0.125. Now we know when we remove the decimal, how many places the decimal we have, decimal places, there are 3 decimal places, the number gets divided by those many zeros, I mean to say 1 and 3 zeros. So 125 will be divided by 1000, that will become 0.125. Now we know 125 into 8 is 1000. So this is log 1 by 8. How can you write 8? 8 is 2 raised to the power 3. So this will become log 1 by 2 raised to the power 3. And we in exponent, what we know? We know that 2 raised to the power 3 is equal to 2 raised to the power minus 1 by 2 raised to the power minus 3. Right? So 2 raised to the power 1 by 2 raised to the power 3 will become 2 raised to the power minus 3. So what happens in exponent? The powers, when you change the numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator, the power is, if it is positive, the power becomes negative, and if the power is negative, it becomes positive when you change the numerator to denominator. Right? So 1 log 1 by 2 raised to the power 3 can be written as log 2 raised to the power minus 3. This you have to follow the rule of exponent. Fine. So now this is, again, the power will come in front of the log, that will become minus 3 log 2. That is minus 3 into log 2 is 0.30, that is 0.90 with the minus sign. Now over here, I'll show you the other way, that the second way second method, what you can do is, it's log 1 by 2 raised to the power 3, and we know the law of log a by b is log a minus log b. So this can also be written as log a, that is 1, minus log 2 raised to the power 3. Fine, because it's log a by b. So this will become log 1 is always 0. Log 1 is 0. Fine. So 10 raised to the power 10 log 1 to the base 10 is 0, minus 3 log 2. 3 comes in front of the log. This can be written like this. So minus 3 into log 2, that is 0.30, is 0.90. You can even follow the log ka law and then do it, or you can follow the exponent rule over here and then do it. Both the ways are correct.